Whether you have a big or small garden space, this joyful pastime can also be challenging for your back, shoulders, hands, and hips. These exercises will help improve your flexibility and train your muscular endurance so you can enjoy your gardening time even more. To help keep you strong and flexible for all of your activities, check out our live online classes at SilverSneakers.com. Click the link below to visit our website and create an account. I'd love to meet you in one of our live classes. For these exercises, you might like to have a chair nearby for some standing support. Most of the exercises will be done with body weight resistance, but I do have one exercise where we'll use hand weights if you have them. No worries if you don't. Let's start with our feet a comfortable distance apart. Relax through your knees, tuck your tailbone under, shoulders back and down. Float your arms up and take a nice deep breath. And then exhale out, roll your shoulders back. We'll do that again. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release, shoulders back. All right, we'll do that 2 more times. Great way to warm up the upper body, get our shoulders ready for some digging and some planting. Next exercise, relax your knees, circle your hips around and do it again. Front, side, back, side. Your hands can be on your hips or on the chair, whatever you need. Hey, all I need you to do is go the other direction. Get a nice stretch, moving pain-free range of motion. Bend your knees. Beautiful. Stand up nice and tall. Next exercise is going to work on endurance through our spine. We do a lot of bending over in the garden. So I want you to start with your feet a comfortable distance apart. Lengthen through your spine. Relax your knees. We're moving from the hips. So think about taking a bow. Then open your arms out to the letter T. Close. You might want to put your hands on your thighs and stand. We'll do it again. So use your thighs for support, then open, close, and stand. And we'll do that again. So it's a hinge. Find a pain-free range of motion, something you can maintain, and that feels pretty good to you. Open, lift with your elbows. I like this one, so we're gonna do it a few more times. Come on down. I'm drawing my belly button in. We want strength both on the front side of our core and the back side. Do that again. Squeeze your shoulder blades gently together, close, and stand tall. Perfect. All right, next exercise is where we'll use the weights. I'm gonna get close to my chair, have my knees almost an inch or so away from the seat of the chair. This time we're bending from the hips, knees, and ankles into a squat. Grab your weights, stand tall. Bring your shoulders back, bend from the hips, knees, and ankles. Great squat. Put the weights down and stand. All right, let's do it again. I'm gonna sit, grab my weights, stand up nice and tall. Sit, put my weights down, stand up. This is a great exercise to prepare us for all the heavy lifting that we may be doing in our gardening. We want to think about using our legs for our strength, not our back. Back is for endurance, legs are for strength. Push your hips back. We're gonna do that one more time, all right? Hips go back, grab the weights, up nice and tall. Put them down, stand up. Nice, all right. Next exercise, we're gonna work on a little bit of balance and the rotator muscles through our spine. Gentle fists at your shoulders. We're gonna start first by rounding our spine, flexing our spine, bringing the bottom of our rib cage towards the tops of our hips. Lengthen, put your weight in your left leg, rotate your right, come back to center. Ooh, I had to stand quick to get my balance. We're gonna do it again. Round, lengthen, put your weight in your right, rotate to the left, come back to center. Let me give you an option. We can round here, then maybe lift your right heel, rotate, Still working on balance, but just working in a range of motion that allows us to get the best work for us today. All right, so let's do it again. I'm gonna tuck my chin, then lengthen. I'm gonna lift my knee. Try to find balance. There's also strength on that standing leg. Round, lengthen, rotate. All right, relax your fists just a little bit. We get a little bit of gentle work in our hands as we hold that relaxed fist. Great work on balance and rotator muscles. One more time. Set everything down and release. All right, next exercise is gonna work on our dynamic balance because we have things that we might be stepping over as we're gardening. So I want you to think about lifting your right leg, step over something big, lift up your left leg, step over and come back. All right, let's do the other side. Now, if you find that your balance is too much off, you might place yourself behind the chair so that you can lightly hold on as you need to. No big deal. You do what's right for you, because we're gonna do a few more, all right? So you determine how big that obstacle is that we're stepping over. Maybe it's small. I'll accept that. All right, let's do one more over. One more back. Nice job, and walk. Next two exercises are all about the flowers in our garden, and the next one's called moonflowers. I'm gonna open my feet a little bit wider than my hips, turn my toes out, open my arms up, stretch your fingers so we can get our hands and fingers ready for the gardening as well. Relax your shoulders, bend your knees, draw your elbows in towards your rib cage, make a fist, and then stretch your fingers and reach up to the sky, and we'll do it again, draw down. This is called moonflowers. We'll reach. It's great for shoulder and hip mobility as well as stability. We need all of that. You come down as low as feels right for your knees and hips. We'll do a few more here. Think about your back muscles. Keep your chest up nice and tall. Stretch your fingers. We'll do two more. Maybe connect with your breathing, a nice deep inhale and a nice exhale. Take a look at the next exercise. I'm gonna sweep down, rise up and do it again. This is called sunflowers, and I always imagine a big, beautiful yellow sunflower, and my fingertips are coming around to the petals. Now I want you to think about dropping into the work. This builds power as well as muscular endurance through our hips. We're gonna do two more, and it's just a fun exercise to do. One more time. Stay up nice and tall, float your arms down, roll your shoulders back. Relax your knees, shift your weight to one side, toe and heel in, the other side, heel and toe in, and then maybe walk to just get out some of the tightness that sometimes comes into our hips when we're doing those exercises. And that's it. That's what I have for you today. So great job. You can do this short workout as a nice warm up for your gardening. You can also do it as a workout, perhaps a couple times a week, maybe building the repetitions of each exercise, 8 to 12 repetitions. With consistency, you'll see an improvement in your back endurance and your leg strength. Hey, happy gardening, and I'll see you next time.